Hello and welcome to day 5. Today we're going to look at different ways of highlighting or selecting text. So here's my mouse, and if I want to put the cursor somewhere in the text, maybe to add in a new word, I can click where I want the cursor to go. And you can see that the cursor will go wherever I click once. If I want to highlight or select a word, I can double click, double click, double click. I might want to highlight or select a whole paragraph. If I want to do that, I can triple click. So that will select the whole paragraph. You can also click to select by putting the mouse on the left in the margin. So you can see that it changes from being a cursor to a select tool. So if I put the mouse in the margin next to the line that I want to select and just click once, it selects that line. If I want to select the whole paragraph, I can double click. And if I want to select all of it, I can triple click, like so. There's also a keyboard shortcut which is really useful for selecting text, and that's one of the control keys. So I'm going to bring up my keyboard so that you can see this. So on your keyboard, if you're a Windows user, you'll have Control. If you're an Apple user, you'll have the Command key, and it will be next to your spacebar. It's usually on both sides of your spacebar. So hold down the Control key and select all, which is A. So Control plus A is select all. And you can see that's selected all of the text. Let's do that again. Unselect, Control, A, and we've selected all. Hope you found that useful, and we'll see you tomorrow.